these rats go floor to roof, wall to wall. I gotta watch my back from bitches who don't got them all. Kick a chat, short, breathe, blunt, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, but it's here for it. This is luxury. I'm trying to fuck you in a booth, wall to wall. Out of town, ducked off, drowning all my problems in the bottle. Like firecrackers when my niggas get involved. Feel like power, all this shit I'm getting gone. It's a power outage, lit this shit up like a bomb. Start a wildfire, paper tricks, I'm fucking blown. Don't know why they look up to me, cause I look up to drugs. We don't compete where it ain't adding up. Tight shit, I told her add it up. She do want my 2 fingers inside her. She know I'm getting it done. Trying to see if this bitch bad enough for me. Yeah. Bitches eat, breathe, sleep, stop. Let me teach you. You got one time, try that shit on me, I swear you do. Get in touch with me, you gotta reach far. Been ballin' on my own, she sitting bleachers. Super sucker, free baby. And I'm really a bad influence, but I'm bringing a hype. He wanna eat it tonight, tomorrow I told him to give me a time. She wanna come to my section, I won't even be in the building tonight. Tryna watch these rats go floor to roof, wall to wall. If you ain't got my back right now, you ain't got me at all. And trust believe they keepin' track like I'm a criminal. Really I'm so ticky picky, just kinda large. Baby said she just happy to see me fucking take off. Make her kitty rumble, every single touch. It's like a safari, yeah, I'm smoking, eating, counting green. And I want me a year for 50, nigga know what's the deal. Yeah, I might just tip if you can eat a 5-star. She know you gon' try me, these bitches feel like time. I'm trying to watch these rats go floor to roof, wall to wall. Out of town, ducked off, drowning all my problems in the bottle.